Today, we are going to carry out a kidney dissection. This is a picture of a kidney that is cut into two halves. You can see several different parts and different colors. And this white thing is the same. Now look at this. This is a real pig kidney. It's bigger than our kidney. Our kidney is like a fist size, and this is a little bit bigger. The white thing is here, and you have to know the name. The name is urethra. With a knife, I'm going to put my hand on the kidney and I'm going to cut into two halves the kidney. Are you ready? This is it. Pay attention. You can see three different areas in three different colors. The outer layer, the brownish is the renal cortex. Then the red one, that is divided into small pieces. All this red area is the renal medulla. Each piece is called renal pyramid. Look at this, the same in our kidney, the brownish. I'm going to count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. You know it. Renal cortex. The red one, renal medulla, and the white is like a calyx, where the P that is formed in these areas, in the renal medulla, is conducted to the urethra, and from this tube goes to the urinary bladder that is at the bottom. To understand the three areas, it's better to look at this picture. Cortex, the external, in the middle, renal medulla or renal pyramids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the calyx, this area. All the pee is conducted out of the kidney through the ureterus. This is the area that we call renal medulla or renal pyramid, and this part corresponds to the renal cortex. The functional unit that produces drop by drop the urine is this one. For me, it reminds me of a snake with the head here. This is the convoluted tubule. Then there are a part that is in the renal pyramid, another in the renal pyramid. And have you noticed that all the parts that are in the renal pyramid are straight? So the same in our real kidney. In this area is the head of that snake, the convoluted tubule. And then here, a loop, the loop of Henle, then another straight tubule that is the collecting tube, and again another convoluted tubule here. This kind of a snake has a scientific name. Obviously, this is a nephron. In each kidney, we have at least 1 million of nephrons. The area that is convoluted is in the cortex. The area, the green area that is straight, is in the renal pyramid. The first part, that is the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, has a mission, important mission, filtration or ultrafiltration. The other part, the convoluted tubule, contains or has another mission, that is secretion. The reabsorption take place in the loop of Henle. And in this area, finally, each drop of urine is conducted through the collecting tube to the urethra. For ending, we are going to do a very exciting experiment. Hydrogen peroxide, agua oxigenada in Spanish. We are going to use this substance to detect exactly which is the area where urine is formed. Pay attention. When you can find bubbles, it means that urine is present. And the bubbles basically are, or mainly, are here in the renal pyramid, because here in the renal pyramid is where the urine is formed. That's all, and we will see you in our next lab class.